Hello, good afternoon. Welcome. This is Jamb year 2016 government pass question. Question number 10 says indirect rule was first introduced into Nigeria by dash. Indirect rule was first introduced into Nigeria by dash. A. The Mangari Pehan. B. Sir Donald Cameron. C. Sir Frederick Lugard. D. Sir Otto Richards. So when we talk of indirect rule was introduced by the British governor, particularly by that is 1920, and that happens by Lord Frederick Lugard. So, and he's a British man, so he's one who introduced indirect in the so options C is correct. Thank you, and ensure